In-process sampling of reaction mixture is an important process control activity followed in the chemical industry, be it a facility to manufacture fine chemicals, bulk drugs, or other chemical compounds. Manufacturing process in most of such industries involve chemical reaction between two or more reactants to form a new compound. Such in-process sampling is more relevant and important in case of batch reactions where the composition of a reaction mixture changes with time as the chemical reaction progresses. Meet such requirement of periodic sampling with the help of InnoSamplers developed by Chemical Process Engineers, a consulting company pursuing process development and innovations in the chemical and process industry during the last 25 years.
As may be seen in this schematic diagram, one of the several conventional practice of sampling of a reaction mixture is to draw out the required quantity from the bottom of the vessel by slowly opening the sampling valve of the bottom of the reactor. Though a very simple technique, in this process, the truly representative sample cannot be taken out unless the locked up volume of the reaction mixture held stagnant in the neck is drained out before collecting the representative sample for analysis. This apart, this method of sampling gets complicated if the vessel is under positive pressure or under vacuum, and also when the reaction mixture is hazardous or toxic in nature. In the other conventional method, a dip tube is inserted from one of the nozzles on the top dish of the reactor as demonstrated in the schematic diagram, and then the sample is picked up as shown. This procedure is cumbersome and difficult to adopt if the reaction is being carried out under a positive pressure or under vacuum or involves toxic fumes. Automatic sampling devices developed by ChemiProcess are programmed to perform the following functions in sequence. A. Inert gas pre-purging to bubble out the stagnant reaction mixture held in the dead leg of the sampling tube for a preset duration. B. Drawal of the sample under suction and draining the same into the sampling flasks. C. Inert gas post-purging to return the excess reaction mixture back to the reactor.
The innovative yet simple device for automatic sampling developed by ChemiProcess is a convenient and easy to use contraption to monitor the progress of any chemical reaction in a typical batch reactor. These automatic sampling devices perform with no manual intervention, thus making it useful in a reactor operating under pressure or vacuum.